prescribed under the mister. We had survived to turn on the history channel and ask our esteemed panel, why are we alive? And here's how they replied: yo, what happens when two substances collide? And by all accounts you really should have died. Stretched out on a tarmac, 6 miles south of North Platte. He can't stand to look back. 16 tons of hazmat. This will go it's a nervous sick motion of the head to the left. It's a nervous tick motion of the head to the left. Of the what? The head to the left. So exercise yourselves till you're bereft. Cause it's a nervous tick motion of the head to the left. To the splayed out on a bath mat, 6 miles north of South Platte. He just wants his life back. What's in that paper knapsack? It's a goes undelivered, boom, 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 boom. It's a nervous tick motion of the head to the left. A nervous tick motion of the head. Over imbibed under the mister, barely alive. We cover the blisters in flannel, though the words we speak are banal. Now one of them's alive, now one of them's alive. What happens when two substances collide? And by all accounts, you really should have died.